is literally in this hangar. How crazy is that?
He got given this car by his dad when he was 16.
Wow. Good morning guys. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day here in the Robertson. Don't like this road, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Super excited for what is on the other side of this bumpy road. Beautiful day out. We're on our way to the airfield, and yeah, I'm here with my son, Mr. Bro, and we are going to go and look at a very special car today. Hey boy? Yes sir, let's go. Guys, there's literally nobody here. We came to a gate now and there's a chain with these warning signs, danger. So yeah, let me just give the owner a ring and let's go.
Golf cart in the gold.
Guys, I'm standing here at the airfield. The man said he's gonna come now. As you guys can see, there's airplanes in there. There's Tweety standing. So yeah, hopefully we got some good news. Let's go. It's literally in this hangar. How crazy is that? So yeah, I can't wait to see the car. Let's go. Yeah, views on views, eh? Views on views. Oh, very nice.
Had one owner since new, and the guy passed away, so I got it all working again and stuff.
Okay.
It's an old car, so
Yeah, 100%. I understand. Wow, it's beautiful. So it's got one previous owner.
yes, he had it since he was a kid. So
Wow.
it's just been parked there, and we just cleaned it and serviced it. And
Wow.
it's going.
This is beautiful. So everything is running now and
Everything's running, yeah.
everything is working.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Just see
original
some
GPS.
oil leak in the front.
No, I think
Or
he
is it
put
just
it
to-
there because
to
I was
prevent-
putting the floor down. He just put the drip tray underneath.
Okay.
That's from the other car that I had, the truck.
Okay.
It needs a bit of TLC.
Yes, 100%.
It's got a US license and everything.
So the license is up to date?
I only just did it the other day.
Okay, 2026. Wow.
So this was that GTS 5-speed gearbox.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Wow, guys. So this car has been sitting for... Brent, how long has the car been sitting now for?
This? In this guy's one, probably a few years. Then now I started maybe 4 months ago, got it all going and serviced it. And, yeah.
Okay.
And now it's running fine now. Changed a few pipes and stuff and everything.
Okay. Do you mind if we start it up and test it? And the seats is still fine under there.
Now, they have covers on.
Wow. Open up for me in front, Brent. I'm gonna need that tap.
You're gonna need it.
This is a 1600, right?
1600. 1984 one. Yeah, anyway, the one with the 1200.
Nice. Do you mind if we take it for a little drive, Brent?
You want me to go? You want to go?
If I can drive, I will appreciate that. Oh, seats are still beautiful.
Put it quite hard.
Quite hard.
Adjusted it, yeah.
Okay. Is this somewhere we can drive, Brent?
Yeah, just go around this way and then we can go up.
Okay.
An airplane.
Hey.
There's no plane, so you can go this way.
Okay, so we're gonna go right here.
Yeah.
There's no brakes.
Yeah, I need
Yeah.
the brakes are a little bit. Just haven't been driven for a while.
Yeah.
But then you can fix the brakes. Just because it's been sitting.
Yeah, I understand. So, Brent, I am interested in the car.
Yep.
As you can see, also I have a Golf
Yeah,
one
so-
there. I love my Golfs, especially the Mark ones.
Yeah.
Can I? Where do I go now?
You can just go out the gate, then you can turn and then come back in.
Okay.
Just on the left, the outside to get
Then I can turn here as well.
We can turn here. Yeah, my very first car was a Golf 1.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
But that was in Zimbabwe, it wasn't here.
Oh, in
But it wasn't the 1600, I had the 1300.
Okay.
And yeah, I love that car. Wife and I went everywhere in that car. But I've got too many cars, so I'm selling this one because it's just sitting. It's going to get rot away, you know.
It is so, yeah.
So rather just let it go to someone who's going to
Yeah.
look after it.
I'll take good care of this car. This my car is very dirty now.
Is it?
Okay guys, so I just came back from a nice test drive with the car. Didn't drive too far, but it drives very nice. As you guys can see, both of the cars are together here. We have Brent now and his wife as well. I don't want to put them on camera, but Brent just told us now about the little story about the car. Brent, do you mind sharing this with him?
So this car belonged to a guy from Robertson, and he got given this car by his dad when he was 16.
Wow.
And he's kept it since then, and we've been trying to buy it from him for a while, and he didn't want to sell it because it has sentimental value. But now unfortunately he passed away, so now all of the stuff went for sale. So yeah.
Okay.
So we just finding buyers for his stuff.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing that, Brent. So yeah guys, here it is. I'll share some exciting details with you guys very soon, so stay tuned. Let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, as you guys heard now, this is a one owner car, and it's parked right here in the hangar. So this is the original paint. It's an original GTS 5-speed. This car has been sitting here for a few years, and then the owner unfortunately passed away. Everything is original. I can even show you guys the interior. There's seat covers on here, but the seats are brand new. How is this for a GTS? And the most exciting part of this video is I just bought myself this Golf GTS. 1600 motor, 5-speed. So I'm the new owner now of this car. I can't believe it. I woke up this morning and I told myself, I'm gonna pray to God, and if this car is for me, it will come my way. And guys, here it is, a true gem found in a hangar all the way in Robertson, where I now reside. What a beautiful gem. Guys, I can't believe it. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. Thank you to the owner, Mr. Bryn, Wesley Colley, right? Yo, guys, unbelievable. I believe this car is for sale as well. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're into more classical cars, this car is for sale. If there's anyone interested in this car, give me a DM on Instagram and I'll link you up with the owner's details, and then you can come through and buy this gem. Was this the same owner? No. Different. Okay. Guys, I can't believe it. This is my new GTS. Guys, this is so surreal. I can't believe it. Like I said, this is a dream come true for me. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I'm gonna leave the car here for now. The payment has been made. I have the papers with me. There's just one or two things that the owner want to sort out. He's going to sort it out for us. It's small things like the brake pads. So yeah, I told him I'll leave the car here, no problem. The car is nice and safe here in the beautiful hangar. But guys, tell me in the comments down below what you guys think. 2 months ago, I shared a post of a GTS on Facebook, and I said something about one day is one day, and 2-3 months later, here it is, original GTS. So guys, dream come true. What's up guys? So it is collection day today. All thanks to my buddy Sir Dean for bringing me here. I am collecting the car today. The car went for some brake upgrades yesterday, and today we are back at the hangar to come and collect the car. And guys, super excited. I just want to show you guys a bit more details. You know, the other day when I made the vlog, I was so excited. I didn't know what to do, so I tried to film some segments for you guys, but I just want to show you guys 1 or 2 details to the car as well. So yeah, let's check it out. So yeah guys, I've got my hands on this car now. Just want to show you guys some quick details. You got all the gauges. You know, this thing works perfectly, and I know some of these things give a lot of issues. So yeah guys, here's the manual. We've got more stuff in here. Let me just show you guys, and this is all from the previous owner. These are all service records. This is the service record for the car. We've got some books here. I'll dig into more details when I have chance to do so. So yeah guys, there's everything. These are all things of the previous owner. These are all things that I'm gonna put away in a very good and respected area, so I'm gonna take care of these books. I'm not gonna throw anything away. I also found a steering lock under the seat, you know. Yeah, strictly OEM, everything original on the car. I still have the old guy's blanket at the back, so I'm gonna take it with, you know, it all comes as a package. But guys, I'm super happy, as you guys can see. The nice thing about this car is the color. I don't know the exact name of the color. It could be Nürburg silver, but it's got the silver color obviously, and the red interior. There are seats covers on now, but however I am going to remove it at home. Just want to show you guys, as I've showed you guys before, these are all in perfect condition. So yeah, steering wheel, everything is clean, everything is just super nice. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog off here. I just want to thank each and every one of you guys that participated in the comment sections. A lot of guys said I'm gonna buy RS3 Type Rs, like someone here, you thought I bought the Type R. A lot of people came close, and a lot of people were spot on after I posted a picture of the seats. So I know you guys are googling this, the pictures. I know you can do that. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Just know there's a full detail incoming with this car. You guys can let me know in the comments down below whether I should make a video of it. But I'm super excited to give this car some proper love, the love that it deserves. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the car, and let's go. Ciao.
Before you guys leave, just a quick question.
Yo.
Would that be a silver one or the yellow one?
Guys, that's a good question, eh? That's a very good question. Guys, this one or the yellow car? I mean, I love Tweety so much. See, he's at home. But I'm sure you guys, this any day of the week. What do you say, Dean? Which one?
I'm old school.
Old school?
Either way, I'm old school.
Either way. But yeah, guys, that will be it for today's video. Stay tuned for more. Let's go. Bring it.